Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro. Hello, my name is Alessandro. Hello everyone! Here we are! Do not leave valuables unattended! Sam! Let's take another entrance. Let's take another intro. Hey everyone! We're at Loma Falls. We're at the end of our 2 weeks in Portland, Oregon. We're excited, and guess who else is here? My best friend, Ashton Govo. What is your height? Alright. Well, we're gonna go hike this mountain. And maybe, if you're lucky, I might even just get in a little boat and go off the edge of the waterfall. This is Sam Primick.
Hey guys, how's everyone doing today?
Lovely tree.
Wow.
That was scary. Oh, food. Oh my god. We're going the right direction. Food this way. That was good. The water's a little bit tepid. Sam, watch out.
Oh, there's a shark.
Places like this make me want to just like run away from home. And it reminds me of the Rugrats movie, essentially. We're all in the nature and we don't know where we're going. Let's hop in the reptile wagon and just take off. Shop. Wow, it's astounding. Wow. Oh, it makes me a bit queasy, actually. Wow. I like the mist on me. So here we are at Loma Falls. It was originally built in 1904, and this bridge up here was actually built by magical nymphs. And this is where they also shot Lord of the Rings, a couple parts of it. And I'm lying about all these facts.
He's been waiting for this moment with the umbrella.
6.8 million. We're going. Alright? Can't promise you anything.
Can we go to the top of the falls?
Yes. Yes. Large mountain. Alright. Alright. I'm sending pictures of the most amazing trees. Don't put this anywhere. Don't put this anywhere. Hello, my name is Alessandro.